can just look at here, guys. So you can wear this like this, and so here the blue color is there, and this mic is this is adjustable here. Okay, so if you want. Hey everyone, this is Prabhavati and you are watching SJV Tech by Prabhavati Kundaragi. So in this video I'm going to unboxing a gaming headset, guys. So first we will do unbox and later we will talk about the cost and the qualities and those are features, guys. Okay, so let's start. So I'm using scissor to cut it. So today morning only it get arrived, friends. So I'm taking a help. My brother is open this one right now. Wow. So you just look at here, guys. Our Hyperx headset is now in my home. So you can do, guys. So the quality of that box is also so nice. You just look at color and that is so fantastic. This is the actual price, 4,790. And so let me open now. What is the inside? I don't know how it is actually. So just we will see what is there inside. My god, wow, just look at here, guys. And so it's already connected everything here. There is no external accessories. I think this is a warranty card and you can use for many sources too. And so you just look at there and the line, that blue color is very nice. And you can just look here and wow, it is really so nice. You can observe here and this what is this Hyperx, though that is the name of the company as well. And just the look at the cushions, guys. So really, and there is a button for on and off, and there is a scroll button too. My god, really wow, it is so wonderful. Finally, we have done the unboxing of our headphone and the actual cost of this is 4,790. okay, so just you can look here, but I'll get it for 3,540. so here is the bill. Okay, so just you can look at here, 3,000 plus 540 is the GST and total price is 3,540. The Hyperx company headphone, and so basically this is used for gaming purpose, and the voice and the quality of the sound is very fantastic. And usually the headphones are in the color of black and red, but here you can look, the color of this is blue and black, guys. Okay, so this is really very nice. And so here they gave two-year warranty. Okay, so you can just look at here. So you can just look at here, guys. So just look at here, guys. So you can wear this like this, and so here the blue color is there, and this mic is this is adjustable here. Okay, so if you want you can talk like this, otherwise so here, so it is totally adjustable. So now let's talk about the cushion. So those cushions are very smooth, you can observe here. Okay, so here and here, and also here there is a one cushion here also, and this is stretchable, guys. So just you can twist it and nothing will happen to this. Okay, and as well, so if you just look at this cushion, so these are too smooth, and here it has a mic, and this is also what adjustable as well. So just look at here, so there is a company name Hyperx. Okay, and next comes to the here there is a Hyperx. So just you can just look at here, is this visible? And it has a, so there is a button, so you can scroll it for volume and these all things. And if you want to switch off your voice, and there is a button for switch off and switch on it. Okay, so I just love it, guys. This is very nice. If you want to purchase for gaming purpose, you can purchase it. Okay. Link of this headphone is there in my description box, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, give a big thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and don't forget to hit on the bell icon button, guys. So bye bye.